Did you know that every Spanish word has one strong syllable? And if you put the accent in a different place, you can completely change the meaning. Today, I'll teach you how to pronounce and accent words correctly, step by step. Okay, first of all, what is a syllable? A syllable is a group of sounds pronounced together in one beat. For example, casa, house. Casa, 2 syllables. Pelota, ball. Pelota, 3 syllables. Escuela, school. Escuela, 3 syllables. Every word has one or more syllables. Okay, there's some words that only has one syllable. We are going to look at them later. The stressed syllable. This is very important. In every word, there's one syllable that sounds stronger than the others. That's called the stressed syllable. For example, casa. Casa. Did you notice the difference? Ka is stressed. Casa. Pelota. 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 The stress is in LO. Escuela. Where is the stress? Escuela. Escuela. Okay? So the other syllables are called unstressed syllables. The important one is the syllable that is stressed. So how could you know where is the stress in every word? There are some types of word according to a stress position. In Spanish, we classify words depending on where the stress falls. Let's see the 4 types: agudas, graves, esdrújulas, sobresdrújulas. Okay, there's something that you need to know. It's not too important to know what is the type of word, of every word in Spanish. You will notice where the stress goes when you practice a lot of reading and writing. So with time, you will know where is the stress in every word. Okay? Okay, about agudas, the stress is in the last syllable. For example, café, camión. The accent rule is they are accent if they end in a vowel, N or S. Graves. The stress is in the second to last syllable. For example, casa, árbol. The accent rule is they accent if they don't end in a vowel, N or S. For example, casa ends in a vowel, A. It's not accent, it doesn't have the accent. Esdrújulas, the stress is in the third to last syllable. For example, teléfono, música. And they always have accent mark. This is important, this is good, because if you have to put the accent mark and you know the stress is there. And sobresdrújulas, the stress is before the third to last. For example, dígamelo, say it to me, that means dígamelo. And rápidamente, rapidly. They always have an accent mark as esdrújulas. The accent mark is that little line above the vowel. It shows which syllable is stressed following those rules. For example, café. It's aguda and in a vowel. Café. You can see the accent mark in the E. Árbol. It's grave, doesn't end in a vowel, N or S, and the accent mark is in A. Música is a esdrújula word and it's always accented. They always have accent. Música. You can see the accent mark in the U. Let's practice. Práctica. Practiquemos. Divide into syllables. Flor. This means flower. Flor. This is a tricky one. Just one syllable. Flor. Amigo, which means friend. Amigo. Amigo. Televisión. Television. It's televisión. And rápido. Fast. Rápido. It's rápido. This is very useful because there's some words in Spanish that are long. So if you divide the word into syllables, you can remember easier the word and you can pronounce it better, in a better way. Okay, keep on practicing. Mark the stressed syllable. Coche. Car. Coche. Where is the stressed syllable? Good. Coche. Coche. Café. Café. This is easier, right? Because you have the accent mark. Café. You know it's stressed because it has the accent mark. Número. Número. Okay, as café, you have the accent mark, so stressed in número. Número. And the last one, junto. 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 Very nice. Now let's use this, let's practice in a real sentence. Let's use it in context. For example, ejemplo, mi teléfono está en la mesa. Mi teléfono está en la mesa. Do you know where the stress is in every word? Mi is just one, right? Mi teléfono, you have the accent mark, está, again accent mark, en la mesa. The stress is in me, mesa. Okay, another example, otro ejemplo. El árbol tiene hojas rosas. El árbol tiene hojas rosas. This means the tree has pink leaves. El árbol, the stress is in AR, árbol, tiene hojas rosas. Bien, now you know how syllables and accent marks work in Spanish. If you like this content and you want to keep practicing and studying Spanish with me, give it a like, a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel so I can keep doing this with you. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram. I upload new videos, short videos every day so you can learn Spanish with me. And in the next class, we will learn the numbers from 0 to 100. So don't miss it. Okay? Adiós.